Hello friends and my little champs, welcome to Pegasus Academy. I hope you all would be fine. Well, our topic for today is integers. It was on request of one of my students. I picked up this topic for today. So let's start with integers. What are integers? What is an integer? A whole number anywhere from 0 to positive or negative infinity. So, the set of integers include -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Well, we often get confused about or between the whole number and integers. So, in our next slide, we'll understand what is the difference between integer and whole number. So, let's move to the next slide. What is an integer? Now coming on to difference between integer and whole number. We often get confused that whole numbers are integers? No. Well, answer is no. Well, integers include whole numbers and negative numbers till infinity. So whole numbers are the part of integers. Well, if you say like this that whole number plus negative integers or negative numbers till infinity will be correct. Okay, so friends, now I'll be introducing you integers on the number line in my next slide. Integers on the number line. Well, you can see 0 there, where 0 is neither positive and nor negative. So left side of 0, we have all the negative integers. That means -1, -2, -3 till infinity. And on the right hand side, we have all the positive integers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. On the number line, both the side arrows represent infinity. That means your number line can be extended till infinity. So that's why we represent it with an arrow. Okay, now friends, we'll be moving to the rules of integers, where we often get confused and where we make mistakes in our questions. So here I'll be giving you concepts related to rules of integers in my next slide. So moving towards my next slide. Rules of integers. Well, there are rules related to addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So in the next slide, I'll be explaining you all the rules of integers. Now we are here to explain you rules for integers. So here, first we are taking addition rules. So in addition rules, when you have integer sign as plus plus, operation is add, the answer sign will be plus. Suppose I take two numbers like 2 plus 5. Both are integers, both integer signs are plus. So we get answer as plus 7. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Same goes with addition for minus signs. Integer sign minus and minus will give you answer sign as minus when you are adding. For addition sign, integer sign plus and plus, we get answer sign as plus. For plus and minus, we get minus. Now moving towards subtraction, which is a bit tricky. So in subtraction, rules for integer are when we use plus and plus as integer sign, we take larger integer sign. So in subtraction, like suppose I have plus 2 minus plus 6. So minus and plus will become minus. So larger sign always we'll take of the larger number. Now come to integer sign as minus and minus, you get larger integer sign again. We are going to consider. For plus and minus, your sign, answer sign will be plus. For minus and plus, your answer sign will be minus. Now moving towards multiplication. Now in multiplication, we are going to multiply plus into plus will be plus. That means plus 5 into plus 2 will be plus 10. Minus 5 into minus 5 will be plus 25. That means minus into minus will be plus. Minus 6 into plus 3. What will be the answer? Again, it will be minus. So, it will be minus 18. Now moving towards division rules for integers. Well, you have numerator and you have denominator value in the fraction. So when you have numerator value as plus 3 and denominator value as minus 2, your answer sign will be minus. Same goes vice versa when you have numerator value as minus and denominator value as plus. Again, your answer sign will be minus only. So this concept was for rules of integers. So here we are moving towards our basic concepts of integers in our next slide, where I'll be explaining you how we should not, what all tips we should consider while solving our integer problem. Thank you. Facts about integers. If the integers have different signs, subtract the number and take the sign of the larger number. Now suppose we take example minus 13 plus 7. Here, which is the larger number? 13, and which is having negative sign. So step 1 will be subtract the number. That is 13 minus 7 you will get the answer 6. Step 2, take the sign of the larger number. Larger number was 13. So we will take the sign minus sign for that number. So answer will be minus 6. Now few more tips which I'll be sharing with you people. They are product of even number of negative numbers is equal to positive number. Suppose I have a product minus 2 into minus 2 will give me answer as plus 4. 2 2s are 4 and minus into minus will be plus. So it will be plus 4. Another tip, product of an odd number of negatives is equal to negative number, like minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. That means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. And here minus into minus will be plus and plus into minus will again be minus. So answer will be minus 27. So this was the tip for the integers where generally we make mistakes. So we'll try to overcome with that and we'll get 100% results. Well, thank you. Facts about it. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel for the further videos. As in my next video, I'll be explaining electrical conductors. This video was on demand of one of my students. She requested me to explain her integer. So my next video will be electrical conductors. Thank you and keep watching. Bye bye. Take care.